Hey there, little G's. Welcome back to the channel, and it's time for you to make your first logo. Whether it's something complicated or really simple, a good logo can stand the test of time and become a brand. Great logos lead to really effective branding, which means you can use the logo and not even have to put the name of the company, like these two. All right, so to create your logo and make it really effective, you're going to need to remember 4 things. Thing number 1 is sketch, and then sketch some more. Get as many ideas as you can down on paper. What I do is I set a timer on my phone for 5 minutes and try to fill up a sheet of paper with as many sketch ideas for that logo as I can. Thing number 2. Use as many geometric shapes as possible. These shapes appeal to the eye, and they're easy for you to replicate if you need to do it again. You may not even realize it, but some of your favorite companies use logos that exclusively have geometric shapes, like these are mostly triangles. And these logos rely heavily on circles. If you look around at all the logos in your house, I think you'll find a lot of geometric shapes. And these 3 companies that are often competing use geometric shapes. The Android is almost exclusively geometric shapes, and the Apple has a perfect circle bitten out of it. The third thing to remember is to always try and use that very important negative space. Negative space can have a big impact on your design. For instance, the up and down arrows create negative space of an H, so this says shift. Now the last thing to do is to take a 5-minute break. After you've filled up your page with sketches, you can walk away, come back, and look at them with a fresh eye. Okay, so think about it. If you're going to make a really good logo for a customer, you're going to have to sit down with them and conduct an interview. The best way to conduct this interview is to just ask a few questions and let the customer talk. You want to know things like what their company does, what colors they want to use, what design ideas they might already have, maybe even the history of the company, and sometimes budget is a factor too. All right, little G's. You've got all the tips you need to create a great logo. So sit down, get your workstation ready, and get to work. I can't wait to see your results.